As the fourth largest island in the world, Madagascar, the well-named island continent, offers an exceptional diversity of landscapes. Rice, inseparable from the daily life of the Malagasy, who are among the largest consumers of rice, is cultivated in all regions of Madagascar. Abundant water and fertile soils constitute the principal richness of the country that extends over an area larger than that of France and Belgium combined. Different climates have naturally allowed the evolution of an extraordinary flora, made even more so by the exceptionally high number of plants that can only be found in this very unique country. Take baobabs as a case in point. Of the 10 or so species of baobabs observed on Earth, 6 are found only in Madagascar. Within the 50 national parks and protected areas managed by Madagascar National Parks, while accompanied by experienced guides, that you can readily observe the finest plant specimens. Several private and community-managed natural reserves complement this set of national parks, where it is very easy to observe another national emblem, the lemur. It is difficult to say exactly how many lemur species exist, but about 2/3 of these primates are found only in Madagascar. The Malagasy wholeheartedly protect these fascinating creatures, whose survival relies on the preservation of their habitat. Certain lemur species must regularly consume as many as 80 different varieties of plants in order to survive. The movements of these primates always arouses admiration, and their elegance is nothing less than that of the most star-studded dancers. Among the other stars of the animal world widespread in Madagascar is the chameleon. Madagascar is rich in geckos, iguanas, and other diverse reptiles. Another that deserves special mention is the tortoises. The spur tortoise of the Bay of Bali, or its southern relative, the radiated tortoise, are both threatened with extinction and are specially protected. Marine species thrive in the translucent waters of lagoons, where multitudes of coral species grow. Several diving centers will enable you to take full advantage of this fascinating spectacle of marine life. Activities linked to nature are numerous, but the growing interest of bird watchers in Madagascar must also be emphasized. Humpback whales from the Antarctic establish their wintering grounds in the Malagasy waters and come in such numbers that you can readily organize whale-watching outings to see these majestic marine mammals. Of more than 40 tons in weight and over 15 meters in length, these whales have their calving season here between June and November. Madagascar offers 5,500 kilometers of coastline. The creator must have amused himself in finding infinite ways to form a coastline, with immense stretches of white sand, rocky coastlines, as well as lagoons, inlets, and bays of every kind. The interior of the island presents fantastic geological scenery. Beneath the erosive forces of rain and wind over millions of years, certain calcareous massifs form an infinite succession over hundreds of thousands of acres of sharp ridges and peaks. Known as tsingy, these mountain-like formations offer incomparable hiking opportunities. Each of these massifs offers its own unique landscape, such as the Bermara Tsingy, which is classified as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. You will appreciate the comfort of Malagasy hospitality, which offers you a range of possibilities adapted to all budgets, regardless of what sites you wish to see. There is no doubt that the many excursions will pique your appetite, which is just as well, since Malagasy cuisine, based on the products of the country, has an exceptional flavor that will delight your taste buds. Whether you have taste for fine cuisine or appreciate a picnic near the sea, your experience of Madagascar will leave you with many unforgettable memories.